All right, in this problem, number 9, we're going to look for a greatest common factor. And it's something I've been discussing in the previous problems where we look and see, do all of my terms have anything in common? Are they all divisible by something the same? And so far we haven't had to deal with that, but we will here. So we've got 30, 27, and 21. All three of those numbers are divisible by 3. So we're going to factor that out first and then go build our binomials in a minute. So 30 divided by 3 is 10j squared, minus 27 divided by 3 is 9j, minus 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, from here we are now going to get our A, B, and C. So A is the 10, B is the negative 9, and C is the negative 7. What this does is it makes all of our numbers a lot smaller, which makes them way more user-friendly for sure. And it also pulls out this 3 that everybody was multiplied by. It's like, why even talk about it? It's everybody. Nothing special. It's everybody. So we build our x. A times C still goes on the top. So that'll be our 10 and our negative 7. So this is a negative 70. And B is that negative 9. Just like we've been doing, let's go build your t-table of negative 70. Let's tear that apart, remembering since this is negative, we have to alternate back and forth with this negative. Negative 1, 70, positive 1, negative 70. Negative 2, 35. 2, negative 35. 3 doesn't work. 4 doesn't work. 5 works. Negative 5. Let's see. 70 divided by 5 is 14. Positive 5 and negative 14. 6 does not work, but 7 works. Negative 7 and 10. Positive 7 and negative 10. And that's it. That's all we got. So let's go find the sum of each pair of all of my factors. 69, negative 69. 33, negative 33. 9, negative 9. 3, negative 3. Which pair did I need? I needed a negative 9. Here it is. Positive 5, negative 14. All right, let's go build our binomials now. We are ready. You've already done the hard work. You're ready to go. So we've got a 3 out in front because that came from here. So don't lose him. You still got that guy. So variable j plus 5 divided by a. What was a? 10 times j minus 14 divided by a. What was a? 10. Okay, let's reduce. So I have my 3, j plus 5 and 10. That does reduce, but that's not 2. What is that? Yeah, that's 1/2. Good. J minus. Now 14 and 10, those are both divisible by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 10 divided by 2 is 5. All right. Let's finish this off. I actually have to move 2 denominators for this problem. But that's okay. It's not hard. It's just something we got to do, and that's fine. So I've got 3 times 2j plus 1 times 5j minus 7. And there it is. So this 3, remember, we carried from the very first step all the way over here, and we said all 3 of my terms are divisible by 3. So don't lose them. On a state test, they would drop that off just to see if you were paying attention. So you make sure that you tell those people who wrote that test that you're smarter than their trick questions. All right, let's do one more problem together. Let's go look at number 11. So problem number 11 says the area of a rectangular lobby, remember this, the area, they do this, of the lobby floor in a new office building is this giant polynomial, 15x squared plus 47x plus 28. The length of one side of the lobby is 5x plus 4. So we need to go find the width. We got this. We can totally do this. All right. So first things first, 15, 47, 28. Do those have anything in common? No. Those are miserably different. All right. Let's go through the process. Let's go to work. A equals 15, B equals 47, C equals 28. You should be an expert at this by now. I really hope that this is like, oh, got this. Feeling smart? Can totally do this. Draw your X. A times C. Now 15 times 28. I am not asking you to do that in your head. That is huge. So go find a calculator. And what is that? I'll wait. Did you get 420? Yeah, it's crazy huge. And then the bottom triangle B, 47. So we need to go tear apart this 420, and go see where it came from. Let's see. 1, 420. 2, 210. 3, 140. 4, 105. 5, 84. 6, 70. 7, 60. 8 does not work. 9 does not work. 10, 42. 11 does not work. 12, 35. There might be more, but that's enough. Let's see if we've already found it. What number are we looking for? 47. Let's go find the sum of each pair. 421, 212, 143, 109, 89, 76, 67, 52, 47. What did we need? 47. So there's our wings, 12 and 35. Okay, hard work is done. We're like cruising in to getting this finished. So build our binomials, x plus 12. There's my first wing divided by a. What was a? 15. And then x plus my other wing, 35, divided by a, which was 15. Now, remember, your calculator can help you reduce. If you just put into the calculator 12 divided by 15 and just push enter, it'll reduce it for you. It'll tell you 12 is divided by 3, that makes 4. 15 divided by 3, that makes 5. Same thing with 35 and 15. That'll reduce for you in the calculator. 35 is divisible by 5, that makes 7. 15 is divisible by 5, that makes 3. I've got two denominators, so I'm going to move them both. Right in front of my x, but still inside the parentheses. 5x plus 4. 3x plus 7. All right, now it told me that the length is 5x plus 4. There it is. We have done this right. That feels so good to know that we have done things right. So now we just say, okay, that means I need the width, which is the other binomial. 3x plus 7. Ta-da! And we're finished. Nice. Okay, so your job is to go finish off this worksheet by doing number 10 on your own. And if you need any help, you always know that you can come and ask me.